Rebel group Baloch Liberation Army has claimed that they have hijacked a train, Jafar Express, in Balochistan and taken 450 passengers hostage. A few casualties have been reported. The BLA blew up the railway track and held the passengers hostage. BLA warns hostages will be executed if a military operation is launched. Right, so that's the latest that we are getting in news coming in from Balochistan. There seems to have been a hostage takeover when it comes down to the Baloch Liberation Army. It's a rebel group, and the latest coming in is that they have claimed to have hijacked a train, Jafar Express, in Balochistan and taken 450 passengers hostage. Casualties have already been reported. How they engineered this hostage crisis, the BLA apparently blew up the railway track and took the passengers hostage. All right, that's the latest that we are getting in right now. Word coming in that the Jafar Express in Balochistan has now been taken hostage with over 450 passengers on board. Rebel group Baloch Liberation Army is behind this hijack crisis. Shivani, my colleague, on the phone line with me. Shivani, will you take us through these details that are coming in right now?
See, this is a major attack that has taken place here by the BLA on this particular train that was travelling in Punjab province of Pakistan, where there were more than 120 people. They were the security forces. They were on leave. They were travelling on leave, and the number of total passenger is being told it is around 450. But the BLA army, they have already released the women on board. They've released the children and the elders who were travelling on this particular train, and the action still goes on even as we speak. And 6 security personnel have already been executed. They've been killed by BLA. That's what the BLA statement has been claiming. And they say that this is the Fidayeen attack group of BLA that has executed this whole plan. This train was moving in the Bolan area of Pakistan, the Balochistan area, and there this derailment has been done. And a number of BLA attackers, they were already present there. It seems that this was a well-planned strategy to attack this particular train. And they say that around 120 personnel from different security agencies in Pakistan who were on board this train have been held hostage. They are being executed. And we are seeing that over past few months there have been escalated attacks by the BLA, and they have also formed a new front together, which comprises of smaller groups that used to they used to operate in silos, and now they have combined this force. They have executed new plans, new strategy. And we are seeing that this is one of the biggest incidents that has taken place in past few months by the BLA.
Shivani, has the BLA put forward any demands as of now?
See, the demands of BLA have been very clear and out. They have been very directly demanding that the Balochistan needs to be liberated. That's been their demand, and they have always been opposing the presence of security forces from Pakistan on Balochistan, and they also oppose the CPEC projects by China in this area. So this has been a continuous demand by the PLA. They have been making announcements and statements of this rebellion that they have been doing in terms of these attacks, these incidents where they have been killing the personnel, the security personnel, the important diplomats. They have been attacking important diplomats and important people who are within the forces, within the government of Pakistan. So this is a direct declaration of a liberation that they have been demanding for Balochistan, and we are seeing an escalated strategy, an escalated attack number here, where we've been seeing a number of attacks are happening, and this seems to be one of the biggest attack where a train has been here kidnapped.
Okay.
It has been hijacked, where more than 120 people are held hostage as per the statement that has been released by the BLA.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Shivani. We're going to continue to come back to you for more updates on the current hostage crisis, which continues to escalate in Balochistan.